What's up, students? Welcome back to Sahitya classes. My name is Shalini and I am your UGC NET Paper 1 tutor. And in today's video, I have brought for you a complete paper breakdown of June 2025 examination of paper 1. आज हम देखने वाले हैं पेपर 1 का ब्रेकडाउन यूनिट एंड टॉपिक वाइज, दैट हाउ मच फोकस यू शुड गिव टू वन पर्टिकुलर यूनिट. ये आपको यहाँ से इस वीडियो से समझ में आ जाने वाला है आज. एंड आई नो द लास्ट फ्यू डेज आर लेफ्ट, और शुड आई से 1 month, लेट्स काउंट इट फ्यू डेज. सो आपके लिए the paper 1 must be taking a toll on you, that how should you prepare, and thoughts like that I should leave paper 1, I should leave a few units, kya hi ho jayega, I'll score in paper 2. But let me tell you, let me suggest you that don't do this. Instead, work with strategy. That will help you a lot. आप strategy बना के work करो. Still, if you have got 30 days, आप 30 days में complete unit का breakdown कर सकते हो, that how many days I should give to one particular unit to revise it. Okay, and with this video, when we'll dive into this video, you will get an idea that how many questions are being asked by UGC NET from which unit. Okay, you will have the idea that how much focus you should be giving to one particular unit. Okay, so let us see, let's not waste our time, and let us see कि मैं क्या breakdown आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ. Okay, चलो. I have kept research aptitude first on first number because this has asked you largest amount of questions. Okay, सबसे ज़्यादा questions आपसे यहाँ से आए हैं. तो रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड से एज यू कैन सी दैट यू गेट अराउंड 6 क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है, जून 2025 में आपके 6 क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली यू हैव गॉट फ्रॉम रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड. दैट मीन्स रिसर्च एप्टीट्यूड इज obviously a big unit, but you have to have your complete focus on research aptitude. ठीक है, next is your teaching aptitude, another important one. Now teaching aptitude में मैंने 2 से 3 क्वेश्चन लिखे हैं. I have put it like 2 to 3 questions because sometimes you will see the nature of the questions, they are merging 2 units together. Like teaching aptitude may merge with higher education. Higher education may be merging with ICT, okay? Because they have some common topics or common areas जहाँ से आपके questions बन सकते हैं. That is why मैंने इस तरीके से उन questions को यहाँ पे put down किया हुआ है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज योर कम्युनिकेशन. तो आपका कम्युनिकेशन से कितने क्वेश्चन बने हैं? अकेले 5 to 6 क्वेश्चंस. अगेन कम्युनिकेशन आपका मर्ज हो रहा था विद ICT. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव केप्ट इट लाइक दिस कि 5 से 6 क्वेश्चंस. वन ऑफ दोज क्वेश्चंस माइट बी फ्रॉम ICT एज वेल. ठीक है, नाउ एनवायरमेंट, पीपल एंड डेवलपमेंट, द यूनिट विच वी टेंड टू लीव. हम अक्सर ये सोचते हैं कि इन्वायरमेंट, पीपल एंड डेवलपमेंट, दिस इज सो बोरिंग एंड लेट अस लीव दैट यूनिट एंड क्या ही हो जाएगा, वील क्रैक द एग्जाम विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेपर 2. बट लेट मी टेल यू, if you prepare this unit well, this is a scoring subject. One of the questions that was asked in 2025 examination was how many MDGs are there. Okay, this is the easiest question that one can ask you from environment, people and development unit. This is the easiest question, and जिसने भी इन्वायरमेंट पीपल बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ा होगा वो ही इस क्वेश्चन को आंसर नहीं कर पाएगा. अदरवाइज आई बिलीव कि हम सब ने कहीं ना कहीं वो सारे क्वेश्चन को एड्रेस किया होगा. ठीक है, बट देयर आर अ फ्यू क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर अग्रीमेंट, okay, from your protocols and from the ecosystem. So one of the question was like how many ecosystems, what kinds of ecosystems are there. Okay, you were given the names on one side and you were given the description on the other side and you had to match. So one question containing 4 question in itself, okay, that becomes a multiple selective questions. आपको बहुत सारे चूज करने होते हैं और you have to match it. There also you get around 4 to 5 names to match with the following description, correct? So I would say that if 5 questions are being asked from this unit deserves to be studied. Okay, and if you make a strategy to study this, अगर आप strategy wise काम करें, then this unit, though a longer one, but will not feel like longer. Okay, you will feel that you are easily understanding those topics and you are able to attempt those questions. Okay, our ultimate aim is to crack the exam. So we have to work with plannings and strategies, and 5 questions is equal to 10 marks. Let's not forget that. Okay, let's move on. I told you one more thing while I was teaching you higher education, that higher education is also one scoring area, one scoring unit. हायर एजुकेशन के क्वेश्चंस में यू गेट मतलब यू गॉट 4 क्वेश्चंस in this June 25 examination, and higher question अक्सर scoring होता है because there are a few things which you just have to understand and memorize here and there. Okay, if I'm asking you questions from NEP, I have told my students also that there are a few things where you have to understand the concept of it, understand the gist of it. Okay, like the functioning of UGC. What does UGC do? UGC का function क्या है? If you are able to grasp that particular concept, then you will be able to answer all the questions from higher education. Okay, and as I told you, don't forget that 4 questions is equal to 8 marks. Okay, that is why we are doing this breakdown. Indian logic से you got 3 questions. अब now you must be thinking that Indian logic से बहुत कम questions हैं. Okay, you must be thinking that oh so less, only 3 questions. Okay, but let me tell you why these 3 questions were important in June 2025 examination. क्योंकि these were the easiest question. These were the easiest questions ever asked from Indian logic. बहुत easy थे. They asked you how many hymns are there in Rig Veda. ये क्वेश्चन आपको सर्व किया गया है. ओके, एंड द अदर वन वाज व्याप्ति. आपसे पूछा गया था, यू वर आस्क्ड दैट व्हाट इज व्याप्ति. Okay, and this question was also served according to me, because these are very surface level questions. Okay, so if you pay little attention to even Indian logic also na, you'll be different from others who do not study Indian logic at all. अगर आप इंडियन लॉजिक पे थोड़ा फोकस कर दें तो आप उन लोगों से, उन सभी लोगों से, दैट उस क्राउड से आप बिल्कुल अलग हो जाएंगे जो इंडियन लॉजिक टच भी नहीं करता है. ओके, नाउ logical reasoning, so you got only 2 questions this time, although I'm not saying that this is not important, but we are breaking down the question paper. This many questions I have got from logical reasoning itself. Okay, then you have ICT. You have ICT. ICT से आपके 5 to 6 questions अकेले हैं, and I have told you, पहले भी मैंने क्लास में भी बताया है कि ICT is one scoring unit. ICT से आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्कोर कर सकते हो because there are a few names and a few words, terms which you must remember. थोड़े से अगर आप words और terms को ध्यान में रख लें, and they ask you, generally they ask you the function or the full forms of a few terms. तो अगर आप वो full forms थोड़ा सा memorize कर लें, you'll be able to score good in ICT section. Okay, and why I have kept like 5 to 6 questions, because I thought or I saw that ICT was merging questions from हायर एजुकेशन एज वेल. ठीक है, जो क्वेश्चंस आपसे यहाँ से पूछे गए हैं वो आपका हायर एजुकेशन एंड आईसीटी दोनों को मर्ज कर रहा है. दैट इज वाई आई हैव पुट लाइक 5 to 6 okay questions. Now next is your data interpretation. You know very well towards the beginning of your paper itself, when you start attempting your paper from paper 1 section, there you get 5 questions alone from data interpretation. You know how important DI is, and to attempt the question successfully you need to have a good practice of maths. So आपको maths की practice अच्छी होनी चाहिए, maths पे पकड़ अच्छी होनी चाहिए, and maths is a subject which needs practice. So अभी you have 30 days, and I would suggest कि पूरी math आप नहीं पढ़ सकते. You can't cover whole of the math in the last 30 days because you have paper 2 to cover. Paper 2 is immensely vast subject, English as we know it, or any other subject in paper 2. But what you can do is, if you have already studied maths, अगर आपने थोड़ी भी maths पढ़ी है तो आप 2-3 क्वेश्चन रोज लगा सकते हो. ओके, जस्ट प्रैक्टिस 2-3 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन डेली. जस्ट गिव 10 to 15 minutes to maths daily from this day onwards, and you will see the wonderful result that you are going to get in your next UGC NET examination. Okay, then the last one, towards the end of paper 1, you get reading comprehension. आपको reading comprehension के 5 क्वेश्चन अगेन अकेले देखने को मिलते हैं. ठीक है, एंड सम ऑफ अस थिंक दैट रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इज ईजी. कोई बात नहीं, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन इज लाइक अ स्लाइस ऑफ केक. ओके, बट इट्स नॉट ट्रू. समटाइम्स रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कैन confuse you, okay, because you do not practice it. Again, reading comprehension सिर्फ practice से ही complete हो सकता है. Practice can make you perfect in these 2 units, that is data interpretation and reading comprehension. Okay, reading comprehension also needs practice, and what you can do is, my suggestion is, just take one passage, whatever has been asked previously, जो भी आपसे पहले पूछा गया था. If you have mock paper, that's very well. If you have previous year question paper, that's also good, very great. Okay, if you have previous year paper, that's also great. So just do one thing कि paper previous year का paper निकालिए and start attempting reading comprehension. Just give 5 minutes. Okay, mind me, I'm just saying you that just give 5 to 10 minutes and that's all. You will be perfect in reading comprehension. Okay, that is why I have brought this complete breakdown. इससे आपको समझ में आएगा कि how much focus do you have to give to which unit. Okay, and as I told you, जहाँ पे आपसे कम क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं वहाँ बहुत in depth आपसे क्वेश्चन this time they haven't asked you. Okay, and let me tell you, if you want the complete analysis of paper 1 of June 2025 examination, we will give you that. If you hit more than 100 likes on this particular video and if you comment that you need a complete analysis of paper 1 of June 2025 examination with explanation, we will bring that video for you. But I just need more than 100 likes and your comments in the comment section. Okay, we will be working for your upcoming paper. Okay, now I told you we have done the complete breakdown. Let us see once more. Research aptitude say you got 6 questions, teaching say you got 2 to 3 questions, communication say again you got 5 to 6 questions, environment, people and development say you got 5 questions, higher education say you got 4 questions, you have Indian logic with 3 questions, 3 easy questions, let me remind you again. Then you have logical reasoning which asks you 2 questions. ICT से you got around 5 to 6 questions, data interpretation से 5 and reading comprehension से you again got 5 questions. So I hope अब आपको एक complete analysis, एक complete breakdown मिला होगा, not the analysis, कि आपको कितने क्वेश्चन कौन से एरिया से पूछे गए हैं एंड हाउ मच यू आर डूइंग बेटर. आपने अपना एनालिसिस आई एम श्योर किया होगा कभी ना कभी. यू मस्ट हैव अटेंडेड सम पेपर और you must have practiced a few questions and you yourself know very well that how much effort I have to put in one single unit कि कौन सी unit पे कौन सी unit मेरी weak है, which unit is my weak area and how much effort should I put. That is why this video is here for you. Okay, now to get such useful videos, to get such beneficial videos, if you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification from our side. We'll keep bringing you such videos जहाँ पे हम break down करेंगे, unit wise चीज़ों को समझेंगे. There are many revisions that will come along your way if you subscribe to our channel. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. तब तक अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपने upcoming exam की ढेर सारी तैयारी करते रहिए and let me tell you, a healthy mind survives in a healthy body. So keep yourself healthy, eat healthy, drink a lot of water and take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video. तब तक take care.